Kia ora, I'm Jo, Kiwibank Economist. So economic activity rebounded 3% in the final quarter of last year, and this follows a 3.6% contraction in activity caused by the Delta lockdown. Delta-related restrictions were gradually relaxed towards the end of last year, and the services industry was a big winner, with activity up 2.5%. Retail trade was up over 10% with strong household consumption, and fewer restrictions helped to revive hospitality. But the ongoing absence of international tourists continued to weigh on accommodation and the education and transport industries. Nonetheless, the 2.5% jump in services is still strong and was the largest contributor to the overall bounce back in GDP in the December quarter. The goods producing industries were also strong performers, driven by manufacturing and construction, but the one downbeat aspect of the report was the back-to-back decline in activity in the primary sector. Partly due to adverse weather conditions, agriculture was down almost 4% in the quarter. Now, while the rebound was a little patchy, a 3% bounce back is still strong, and it takes economic activity to levels just 0.7% below those prior to the lockdown. So we begin 2022 on a strong footing. But a lot has happened since the start of the year, and the growth outlook has definitely softened. Firstly, the Omicron outbreak has dominated the March quarter, and it's hit confidence hard. But even Omicron aside, the New Zealand economy may struggle to expand. And that's because many industries, including manufacturing and construction, continue to face serious capacity constraints with elevated pricing pressures, dislocated supply chains, and a tight labour market. So it may be harder for these industries to pump out more growth. The resilience of household consumption is also being tested. Now, household consumption has been a key source of economic momentum over the past 18 months, but rising interest rates, a slowing housing market, and a higher cost of living all point to more cautious spending, which means weaker growth. Now, overall, the New Zealand economy ended 2021 in relatively good shape, but it faces a lot of headwinds this year. We see growth over 2022 slowing to 3%, down from last year's 5.6%. That's it from me this week. Talk to you in the next one.